In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify your pipelines in Pipedrive. If you're looking to streamline your processes and enhance productivity, then these steps are for you. First, you will want to open your web browser and go to pipedrive.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Give that a click. If you're not logged in already, you'll be prompted to enter the next piece of information, your email and password. Go ahead, type those in carefully. Precision is key here to avoid any login hiccups. After entering your login details, click the login button again to access your Pipedrive account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now, from here, navigate to the pipeline section. This is where your deals and ongoing projects reside, and it's the central hub for managing them with ease. When you arrive at the pipeline, deal section, your next step is to find the filter button. Imagine this as your personal assistant who helps you focus only on what matters most by narrowing down the view of your pipelines. Clicking on filter opens up several options for sorting and displaying information according to your needs. If you want to simplify your view, start by filtering the pipeline by favorites. This allows you to see the deals you've marked as crucial or high priority, streamlining your focus towards the most important tasks at hand. Next, if there are multiple team members involved, consider filtering by owner. This is particularly helpful for team environments or if you're managing a team, as it lets you see who's working on what without the clutter of everyone's deals mixed together. Now, if the existing filters don't quite capture what you need, there's an option to add a new filter. This feature gives you the flexibility to tailor the filters to match exact conditions you're looking for. Customize these to reflect specific criteria that align with your workflow. Once you are satisfied with the filters you've set up, make sure you click on Save. This action ensures that all your filter preferences remain intact for future sessions, sparing you the hassle of repeating these steps each time. With everything saved, you can now filter the pipeline using your new filters. Select the one that best suits the current task or the information you need. By doing this, you create a streamlined, focused view, making it easier to manage your projects efficiently. And there you have it, folks. That's how you simplify your pipeline in Pipedrive. By using these filtering techniques, you can pinpoint exactly what you need to work on, minimizing distractions and boosting